Davinci, Framed by Davinci. Welcome back to another episode. And in today's episode, I'm gonna give you a little bit about how I'm gonna do this black and white set. I seen this vibe on Pinterest that I wanted to do that I'm like, oh, I could probably create that in the studio, just using white paper and adding black and white elements to it. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. Let's build it.
Framed by Davinci, step in the scene, lights go flash, now they all see me. Drip on the lens, yeah, the frame HD, turn it 150 to a volt, take dream. Framed by Davinci, brands on the line, models on set, and they ready to shine. From the BTS to the final design, if it's in the frame, then you know it's mine.
Alright, so I got these cutouts ready. We're gonna do this black and white. Look, I need to kind of spread out these spots, giving very cow Chick-fil-A-ish logo, but I'm gonna use the posing box. I'll put a couple only on the sides that show and then on the paper, so you can see how that'll come together. And then I will introduce my talent for the day so you can follow her. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. See, I'm doing a 3-light setup. My key light, I'm gonna do one light that's just gonna light the background, and I'm gonna have another rim light that's kind of across from my key light. All using the newer Vision 4. Davinci, I told y'all I was gonna introduce my talent. She came a long way, so this is super important that we get this right. Let me make sure I'm in focus. Bree, you want to come in here and introduce yourself to the audience? Where can they follow you on social media?
It's at Bredevey, Bredevey.
We're going to put all her information in the description. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. We shooting. It's on. Let me make sure this one's on. On. Live. Let me get a camera to shoot with. We're gonna start with the Canon 24-70. You know, that's my go-to lens. It's very versatile. You can get full body, you can get close up, and you got a low aperture if you want to get that blurred look. And we need a trigger. We'll control that. But since we got this Chick-fil-A set, we want to see all of that. So let me get a test shot here. Get a little focus point. So on my F11 ISO 100, shutter speed at 1/160. These are not high speed sync flashes. So 160 to 200 is kind of like where you stay. I'm gonna get that little test shot there, hold that. I'm dialed in. Hold that. Are we lit? Perfect. We good. Lighting is where I need it to be.
Amazing.
We ready to shoot? Bree, you ready?
I'm ready.
We ready then. Let's do this. If you need help posing, I've seen your stuff, so you kind of know what you're doing. But if you need help, say, give me some juice. That's it. You ready?
Ready.
All right, let's do it. Just kind of as you hear the click. So I'll say, hey, full body, 3/4, close up, and then you can adjust accordingly, right? So this is all full body, hold that. Perfect. Coming in close, hold that. Fire. Yes. I actually could go to an F10. Let me see how I like that though. Oh, I like F10 better. Yeah. Just cleaner. Like
that's cool.
All right, we locked in. It's on you, Bree. Perfect. Give me that same pose looking up at this light. Perfect, hold that. Hold it one more, full body. Perfect. Oh, that's easy. This is easy money here. Oh, block you. Get the pose in box. So you use this how free. You posed on it, you sitting on it, you be as free as you want.
Are my feet still in frame if I go out like that?
So if you're gonna go out, let's slide it.
Okay.
You got it? Muscles marinara. All right, cool. Perfect. That's perfect. There we go. I always just kind of want you in the center. Perfect. Hold that. Full body. Coming in. Perfect. Hold that. Perfect. I love it. Hold that. Perfect. Just full body, hold that. Yep. Coming in close, hold that. Look my way, hold it. Got it. Perfect. That's fire. That's fire. Ready to get up there? Oh, perfect. Look at that. Hold it. Fire. Hold that. Let me get that close. Close coming in. Here, hold it. I'm gonna do 3. 1 wide, 1 close. Hold it. 1. 2. And then 3. Perfect. All right, get a couple of these. We're good. So let me get down there with you. Fire. That's dope. Let me get down here.
I'm glad this skirt is a skirt.
Oh.
It has shorts on.
Coming in close. Whoa. Yeah, that's fire. Fire. Oh, let me get that close up. Got it. Oh, you need to come out with a posing book. Davinci, frame by Davinci. Hold on, let me put this right so y'all make sure. Shop nofreeshoots.com. Man, I'm gonna say 11 minutes. It might have been less. Bree came through, understood the assignment. I think I maybe gave her 1 pose, and it wasn't a pose. It was just kind of like look up at the light. But man, great shoot, good energy. If you in the New York area, you need to book Bree for a shoot. How you feel the shoot went?
I feel really good.
Let them know where they can find you at on social media.
At Bree DeVay.
We're gonna put all her information in the description. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you'll never miss an episode. We see you on the next one. Perfect.